Okay, I already did the test and review for the crkt chanceinhell 12-inch machete, and today I'll just show you the modifications I made to it. I untied the leg lanyard to make room for the Maxpedition pouch. The two screws line up with the holes. So I just screwed it on with the two screws, very sturdy, didn't have to make any stitchings or anything. And the tobacco, I roll my own smokes, but I added a Maxpedition pouch with a little survival fire and fishing kit from Easy whatever, and anyways, it's got some band-aids, a bunch of fire tinders from SOL, and some other stuff, little fishing spool, the Boy Scouts of America bestglide.com fishing kit, some ibuprofen, some antiseptic. Got some different types of fishing hooks, wire, brass weights, little fly fish hook, salmon eggs, a bobber so that the line doesn't get caught so the hooks don't get caught and I lose all my line. An SOL striker, another fire tinder, some stormproof matches, and there's a little survival card in the bottom, or I think a mirror. But thanks for watching and have a good day.